Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sasha and I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. Before we get started, I want to just remind you that we have adorable buttons below this video, subscribe and thumbs up, and I also will so appreciate your feedback in the comments below. So in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the ideas for gifts on a birthday. So the small pre-story before we get started. It is November. And actually I guess that I will upload this video after November, maybe even in December. So on the 28th of November is gonna be my mom's birthday. And I was wondering what gift I can make. Not spending so much more money for it, making it by myself, showing my respect for her and using my artistic skills. So I decided to draw her portrait. And also I just decided to record it as well for you, so maybe you can get inspired and pursue to do something the same. And by coincidence, my channel is based on hobbies and all this artistic stuff, so I decided that this is really good opportunity to record videos, because actually I'm out of topics. But soon will be a lot of Christmas videos, I guess. So I don't know, this video will be so short because I was just making a hyperlapse of how I was doing that, and while that I also was making some notes and updates. So yeah, I'm drinking tea. I would like to add that to some extent my mom was born as a gift for my grandfather, because my grandfather has his birthday as well. The portrait actually was created from markers, pencil colors, and I was drawing it on the A3 format, and I put it on the Canva. I put it on the Canva, so we can hang out it on the somewhere here. Hello guys, sorry about whispering. I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. I don't know why I'm waking up so early, so I'm having my coffee right now. And we are gonna continue to make my mom's portrait. I have already made in the skin. And yeah, while that I will watch Wicked first part, because yesterday we went with my friend to watch the second part. It was amazing. Like really Ariana Grande in main role, like oh my gosh, it is so good. So yeah, I'm using markers while making my work, and also using some of the other markers, and of course pencils. Also, so sorry about my appearance. I'm a little bit filthy because I haven't showered for 3 or 4 days in a row. It's weekend, so why not? What else I also would like to say? My mom is turning 32 or 32. I can imagine, because like for me, she's still like 25 years old and I'm just born. I don't know also what to add to this video. I would like to just say that my mom is doing everything she needs, she can, to ensure me with good conditions, with good opportunities, with good hobbies, with good appliances for my childhood, like everything. And sometimes I can be so stubborn, apathetic, lethargic toward her, and it can make her really hard, and she can get offended so quickly. But actually we are really emotional persons, so we are getting along really rapidly after that. And maybe I guess it's inevitable and undeniable that I made her cry a lot during, like, along the way. Also, my mom sometimes can be strict, in my personal opinion, directly to me, because I don't know, as long as I remember, I was presuming to be successful, to be appreciated by my mom. Appreciation, not appreciation, but respect from her. Like, her opinion is really valuable for me, and only goal not goal, but achievement that I have achieved in this year, that I started to trust her more. I started to not be afraid or modest to express my emotions, even if I will receive opinion criticism that I usually do. Because of her, I started to be not so scared of expressing my own soul. Like, even if I will be not accepted, I'm like ready to speak up, and I'm so appreciating my mom. I'm really thankful for my mom that she can handle it, and she kind of struggles with that. So let's not talk about this lethargic and apathetic stuff, and let's just see the result that I made. Here we are. This is our art. I showed it to all of my relatives, to my father, and I get praised a lot. But to some extent, I made some mistakes along the way. I also think so too. I don't have a lot of shadows here, and I would like to change the form of the nose. But the work is already done, and I put it on the canvas with gloss. Right now I'm hiding it into my dresser so she can't see that, and soon I will make a package for it. So right now let's just switch to the part that I will give it to my mom on her birthday. Let's make a transition, okay?
Guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting right now and the mess on the background. It's actually a time to give my mother a gift. I was so lethargic and I was so exhausted to put a package on it, to put it in some, so I will just gift it like that. And then...
Ну я просто тут сижу, да?
Идти?
Ну я не...
Тебе?
Да! Подходим. Подходим. Привет. Закрываем глаза. Открываем глаза.
Ух ты! Ух ты! Ух ты!
От сердца и почек.
Красиво!
You see how many flowers my mom got? Oh my god.